Welcome, my dear students of second secondary. Today's lesson is called Rational Exponents, and this lesson is the first lesson of Unit 2 of Algebra, and this lesson is given for both sections, Scientific section and Arts section. Let's start. Rational exponents. You know that the first rule, a power m multiplied by a power n equals a power m plus n. Also, a power m divided by a power n equals a power m minus n. A power m all power n, it can be calculated as a power m times n. A multiply b all power m equals a power m multiplied by b power m. The fifth rule, a over b raised to power m can be calculated as a power m over b power m. Another rules. Here, number 6, x raised to power m over n equals a. To get the value of x, you should get rid of the rational exponent m over n. Therefore, x equals a raised to the power, the multiplicative inverse of the rational exponent. X equals a power n over m. Take care. X equals a power n over m if m is odd. Rule number 7, the nth root of x power m equals x power m over n. Here, the cubic root of x power 5 equals x can be written as x raised to power 5 over 3. And the square root of x power 7 can be written as x power 7 over 2. Rule number 8, x power m over n. Take care of the difference between rule number 6 and rule number 8. X power m over n equals a. Therefore, x equals positive or negative a raised to the power n over m, which is the multiplicative inverse of the power of x. Here, you should write positive or negative in front of a if m is an even number. Rule number 9, the nth root of a power n equals absolute value of a if n is an even number. And the nth root of a power n equals a if n is an odd number. The nth root of a multiplied by b equals the nth root of a times the nth root of b, and the nth root of a over b equals nth root of a over nth root of b. For example, x power 6 equals 64. Here, x has an even power. Also here, the result is a positive value. Then, this equation has 6 roots. Take care, x is raised to power 6. Therefore, this equation has 6 roots. Only 2 real roots and 4 complex roots. X power 6 equals negative 64. This is a negative value. X here has an even power and the result is a negative number. This equation has 6 complex roots. Take care, x has an even power and the result is a negative number. Here This equation has 6 roots and has no real roots. X power 3 equals 27. This equation has 3 roots. Take care, the power of x here is an odd number. This equation has 3 roots, 1 real root, only 1 real root, and 2 complex roots. Another example, x power 3 equals negative 125. X here has an odd power. The power of x is an odd number, and the result here is a negative value. Therefore, this equation has 3 roots, only 1 real root, and the rest roots are complex numbers. It has 2 complex roots. For example, find the value of x. Half power x plus 1 plus half power x plus 3 plus half power x plus 5 equals 84. Firstly, you can separate each term. Half power x plus 1 can be written as half power x multiplied by half, plus half power x plus 3 can be written as half power x multiplied by half power 3. Half power x plus 5 can be written as half power x multiplied by half power 5. The left hand side here equals 84. The next step, take care, half power x, you can take half power x as a common factor. Half power x multiplied by the remainder, which equals half, plus half power 3 plus half power 5. I will calculate firstly the value of this bracket. It will be equal 21 over 32. Then half power x times 21 over 32 equals 84. To get rid of the fraction 21 over 32, I'll divide it by 21 over 32. I'll divide both sides by this value. Then half power x equals 84 divided by 21 over 32 equals 128. Half power x, it can be written as 2 power negative x. Then 2 power negative x equals 128 also can be written as 2 power 7. Since the base equals the base, therefore negative x equals 7. The power equals the power. Therefore x equals negative 7. Another example. Find the value of x if 7 power 2 minus x plus 7 power negative x equals 50. I can separate each term. 7, the first term is 7 power 2 minus x. It can be written as 7 power 2 over 7 power negative x can be written in the denominator as 7 power x plus 7 power negative x can be written as 1 over 7 power x equals 50. I can add these two fractions. 7 power x, the numerator will be 49 plus 1, 50 equals 50. Here 7 power x equals, this is 50 over 1, 7 power x equals 50 times 1 over 50 equals 1. Therefore 7 power x equals 1. Therefore x here equals 0. Again, you can see all these steps again. Another example. Three root 3 raised to the power absolute value of x equals 27. It is required to find the value of x. We can solve this problem using two methods. The first method, 3 power 1 multiplied by 3 power half, which is root 3. 3 can be written as 3 power 1, and the square root 3 can be written as 3 power half. Raised to power absolute value of x equals 27, which can be written as 3 power 3. Then 3 power 1 plus half equals 3 over 2. Raised to the power absolute value of x equals 3 power 3. You know that power means multiply. Then 3 power 3 over 2 times absolute value of x equals 3 power 3. Here 3 over 2 absolute value of x equals 3. Since the base equals the base, therefore the power equals the power. Therefore absolute value of x equals 3 divided by 3 over 2. Therefore absolute value of x will be equals 2. Therefore, as you studied before, x equals positive or negative 2. You can see all these steps again here. Three over 2 absolute value of x equals 3. Therefore absolute x equals 2. Therefore x equals positive or negative 2. Another solution. 3 square root 3 raised to absolute value of x equals 3 root 3 raised to power 2. 27 can be written as 3 root 3 power 2. Since the base equals the base, therefore absolute value of x equals 2. Therefore x equals positive or negative 2. Another example. It is required to find the value of the fourth root of 16 x power 4 y power 8. Firstly, the fourth root of 16 equals 2. And the fourth root of x power 4, remember that the nth root of x power n equals absolute value of x if n is an even number. Therefore, the fourth root of x power 4 equals absolute value of x. And the fourth root of y power 8 equals y power 2. Here the final answer equals 2 absolute value of x y squared. Another example, it is required to simplify the expression, the algebraic expression 9 raised to power 4n plus 1 multiplied by 4 power 2 minus 2n over 3 power 9n plus 1 multiplied by, take care, this is multiplied by 48 power 1 minus n. I'll correct it, this is multiplied. The first step, I'll try to simplify each term. I write 9 as 3 power 2. Here 9 can be written as 3 power 2 all power 4n plus 1. Multiplied by 4 can be written as 2 power 2 all raised to 2 minus 2n over, here is 3, I leave it as 3 power 9n plus 1 multiplied by 48. Here 48 can be written as 16 times 3, and 16 can be written as 2 power 4 power 1 minus n times 3 power 1 minus n. Then 3 power 2 times 4 equals 8n plus 2 times 1 equals 2 times 2 power 2 power 2 minus 2n. Power means multiply. Then 2 power 2 times 2 equals 4 minus 4n over 3 power 9n plus 1 times 2 power 4 times 1 4 minus 4n multiplied by 3 power 1 minus n. Take care, in the numerator and denominator there is the same term, 2 power 4 minus 4n. I'll cancel them. Then the remainder will be 3 power 8n plus 2 over 3 power 9n plus 1 multiplied by 3 power 1 minus n. I'll erase these steps. You can see it using PowerPoint. The remainder will be 3 power 8n plus 2 3 power 8n plus 2 over 3 power 9n plus 1, and here also 3 power 1 minus n. I write 3 power 8n plus 2 minus 9n minus 1. Here minus 1 negative n equals positive n. Then 8n plus n equals 9n minus 9n equals 0. 2 minus 1 also equals 0. Then the remainder will be 3 power 0, which equals 1. Another example. Find the solution set of x power 4 over 3 minus 5x raised to power 2 over 3 plus 4 equals 0. Take care. The first term raised to power 4 over 3 and the middle term raised to half the value of this power, x power 2 over 3. I can factorize this trinomial to be x power 2 over 3 and x power 2 over 3. 4 can be written as 1 times 4. I'd like to find two numbers, their product equals 4, their product equals 4, and their sum equals 5, which are 1 and 4. And here the sign is negative, also here the sign is negative, like the sign of the middle term. Then x power 2 over 3 minus 1 multiplied by x power 2 over 3 minus 4 equals 0. X power 2 over 3 equals 1, then x equals positive or negative 1 raised to the multiplicative inverse of this power, 3 over 2. Therefore, x equals positive or negative 1. Take care, you should write positive or negative if this number is an even number. Also, x power 2 over 3 equals 4. Then x equals positive or negative 4 raised to the multiplicative inverse of the power of x. Positive or negative 4 raised to the power 3 over 2. Therefore, x equals a positive or negative 8. Here, x has 4 values. X equals, the solution set is 1, negative 1, 8, and negative 8. Thank you.